to my channel. I am at Winter Wonderland. Today is 30th December and I wanted to make this clip before the new year starts. So that's the reason I'm here, to greet you all in a special way of the new year. But before that, let's go and explore the place. It's too noisy. Let's go! See, this is very much crowded and I really don't like coming on crowded places, but I have just come to catch up all the lights and the fun around this place. Let's go to somewhere quiet. Get here. The car is giving you a message of Happy New Year.
I've got something very quick to tell you.
Fun, yeah. Fabulous, fantastic. I was looking for a quiet place to talk to you guys. So far, I haven't found any quiet place. It seems like impossible to talk to you. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. I am out of that loud place, Winter Wonderland, and I have just come to this quiet corner. I think it is quiet, but it's a little bit windy. I've come here to talk to you guys. I wanted to thank you all for supporting my channel all this year. You have been amazing, guys. Sincerely, I really thank you all for everything you did. I had new subscribers from Pakistan, from India, from Bangladesh. There is noise behind me again. obviously it is a weekend, so people are out enjoying themselves. Yeah, so what I was saying is thank you very much everybody for your support this year, and please keep supporting me in the next year as well. I made new friends this year and I have come to 482 subscribers. Yay! I wouldn't have achieved that without your support and help. And it's great. I mean, all your support is really, I'm highly appreciated, and all the love you have been giving me. I mean, people do call me, send messages, they want to meet me, you know, go out with me. I'm really thankful to all of you. What else? Yeah, and keep dropping your messages. Because of the messages, the channel gets a chance to improve. Yeah, and the channel grow as well. I mean, whenever you guys drop messages, we discuss about something, the channel gets a chance to grow more. So I would highly appreciate and recommend to keep dropping your messages and your feedbacks. And yeah, I wish you all Happy New Year. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, do it now before you go. जी मैं विंटर वंडरलैंड गई थी आप लोगों के लिए लाइटनिंग का एक ग्लिम्स पकड़ने के लिए, छोटा सा, और बहुत मज़ा आया. अपनी फैमिली के साथ ज़रूर जाइए. इट्स ओपन टिल 6 जनवरी. एक तो शोर इतना था कि वहाँ पे मेरे से बात ही नहीं हो पा रही थी, इसलिए मैं यहाँ पे आई हूँ खामोश जगह पे, ताकि आपके साथ थोड़ी सी डायरेक्ट बातचीत हो सके. आइज़ टू आइज़, लिप टू लिप. जी, नया साल आप सबको बहुत बहुत मुबारक हो. और जिस तरह से आप मुझे आज तक सपोर्ट करते आए हैं, उम्मीद है आप मुझे आगे भी सपोर्ट करेंगे. तो इंशाल्लाह अगर ज़िंदगी रही तो नए साल में फिर मुलाकात होगी. तब तक के लिए अपना अच्छा से ख्याल रखिए. एंड आई होप टू सी यू नेक्स्ट ईयर. टिल नेक्स्ट टाइम, यू टेक अ गुड केयर ऑफ़ योरसेल्फ. बाय बाय.